Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to quickly show you how to set up a Solflare wallet. And this is really easy. So, the first thing you want to do, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you want, and there is an app as well. I'm sure the install is going to be pretty similar across the board. So, first thing you want to do is go to Solflare's website. And on their website, they will prompt you to download the Chrome extension if, of course, you are using Google Chrome. So you want to click on that and it'll take you here. And you'll see mine says that it's already installed, but for you, it will say add Chrome extension. So once you've added the extension, you'll be in a menu similar to this one. And you will want to say, I need a new wallet. Now, from here, they will give you a recovery phrase. What I recommend you do is hit download to download the recovery phrase, then hit copy as well, so that after you've ticked I saved my recovery phrase, you can just paste it all back in instead of having to put in each individual one. Now that that's done, they'll ask you to set up a password. I'm just going to let Chrome do it. And there you go. Just like that, you have set up your Solflare wallet. And here we are. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider hitting that subscribe button for more content just like this.